Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make street corn with canned corn. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 15-ounce cans of whole kernel corn, drained well. We'll also use mayonnaise, sour cream, crumbled cottage cheese, fresh cilantro, and lime juice. Don't forget a pinch of chili powder for that authentic street corn kick. This method is incredibly simple and delivers fantastic flavor with minimal effort. Now let's get that corn ready. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your drained canned corn. Spread it out evenly in the pan. Cook the corn for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until some kernels are lightly browned and slightly charred. This step is crucial for developing that delicious roasted flavor. While the corn is cooking, let's prepare our creamy, tangy sauce. In a medium bowl, combine 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of salt to taste. Mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. This sauce is the heart of our street corn. Once your corn is perfectly charred, remove it from the heat. Transfer the warm corn to the bowl with your creamy sauce. Add 1/2 cup of crumbled cottage cheese and 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. Gently mix everything together until the corn is evenly coated. Serve immediately and enjoy your easy homemade street corn. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This dish is perfect as a side or a light snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.